In this video, I'll show you how to set live wallpaper on PC. That is 4K live wallpaper. So make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So once you have installed the Lively app here on your device from your Microsoft Store, what you need to do, you need to come and you're going to be able to see different live wallpapers you can choose. So if you don't like any of this, you can just click on this. You can select a file from your library. So I think I'm going to select, let me see, one of these. Let me see, I'll use this. Okay, so just wait for it to load up. So this is a stock video, so I'm going to click on OK. So I think this is 4K, this is 4K, so I'm just wait for it to load up right away.